Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which door draft stoppers to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. You don't have to live in an ancient house to have drafty doors. Door jambs and walls in newer homes can get slightly out of the square as they settle. This minor twist might cause microscopic spaces under the door, which are ideal for cold air to enter. The good news is that there is an easy fix. The right door draft stopper can keep the icy air at bay. Draft stoppers can be attached to, slid under, or placed in front of your door to seal the small cracks and gaps that allow cold air in while keeping hot air out. Noise, light, dust, and scents may all be kept out of your home with the best door draft stoppers. In this video, we provided you the list of the best door draft stoppers that will suit your needs. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The door draft stoppers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The door draft stopper coming in at number 5 on our list is the MAGZO Underdoor Weather Seal. This practical sliding door weather seal is composed of pure silicone, a true material with color homogeneity, and a matching interior and exterior. It's worth noting that the seal gap is 0 to 1 inch. It's made up to 3 layers that suppress sound by up to 5 times. With this, you can limit the flow of cold and hot air that can save you money and energy. You can also keep your space soundproof while maintaining a comfortable temperature. Our team would like to highlight that this door gap blocker has an all-in-one design, a smooth surface that's not easily distorted, a high level of resistance, and does not damage your floor. It also has a heat and cold blocker, a door dodger, thickened backing, powerful adhesive, and a firmly adhered surface. Our team would like to make mention that this bottom seal for a home door can be used on wood, plastic, and other types of doors. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. Just remember to clean the door and measure the space before putting the door seal stopper on the leak. For its size, it measures 4.09 by 4.02 by 2.09 inches and weighs 3.84 ounces. The MAGZO Underdoor Weather Seal worked well as it's extremely durable and it comes in a coil. Given the features such as ease of installation and all-in-one design, we decided to place this product at number 5 on our list. The door draft stopper coming in at number 4 on our list is the MAXTID adjustable door draft stopper. When you put on the heat during the winter season, the MAXTID door draft stopper can prevent heat from escaping. It also protects your home from the factors such as cold, noise, light, dust, outside light, and odors. It moves with your door and stays in place at all times. Our team recommends that before installing it, you should make sure that the door is clean and dry. You can also use a hair dryer to apply hot air to the adhesive for 30 to 40 seconds to increase stickiness. It's worth mentioning that this door draft stopper is made of an abrasion-resistant fabric of the highest quality. It fits doors up to 36 inches wide and can fill a 1.3-inch gap. The black draft stopper works on all sorts of doors and flooring, including carpet and carpeted floors, and slides easily. It can also be readily removed for cleaning and then reinstalled. To help prevent drafts and seal in hot or cold air, install a draft guard on your front door, back door, bedroom door, and bathroom door. Our team would like to highlight that it has a hook and loop strip with strong adhesive backing that secures it to the bottom of the door. To remove it for cleaning, simply peel it off. The insulating inner core is made of foam and the vinyl outer sleeve is available in 5 colors to match the door's appearance, such as black, brown, dark brown, gray, and white. The MAXTID adjustable door draft stopper has a double-sided design for better insulation. It can also be used on windows and it's fairly inexpensive in bulk for all of your doors and windows. For that, it earns the 4th spot on our list. The door draft stopper coming in at number 3 on our list is the VISEMAN Underdoor Draft Stopper. With both sides protected, this 36-inch double door draft stopper keeps the chilly air out and the heat in. Our team would like to highlight that this heavy-duty and lightweight soundproof door draft stopper is constructed with soft plush material that helps in effectively blocking unwanted noise and smells. The Underdoor sound blocker shaped tube can be cut to fit any door length between 35 and 36 inches. It has an adjustable length, a door width of 1 to 3 inches, and a door gap of no more than 1.5 inches. It's worth mentioning that the door draft stopper can be easily cleaned by machine, eliminating the need to wash it by hand, saving you time and freeing up your hands. Please keep in mind that while the door draft stopper can easily move with the door and glides over smooth surfaces, it may not perform as effectively on uneven surfaces. The soundproof under door draft stopper is perfect for use on your front door, back door, garage entrance door, bedroom door, and bathroom door, as well as windows to help prevent drafts and seal in hot or cold air. It's made in the style of a twin cushion and has a lovely cotton cover that comes in 9 various colors and designs. The VISEMAN underdoor draft stopper is attractive and appealing, and it comes in a variety of colors to complement your floor or your personal preferences. With its high quality features and lovely design, it's ranked 3rd on our list. The door draft stopper coming in at number 2 on our list is the DECOREALM heavy duty door draft stopper. For comfort and cost savings, the DECOREALM weight draft stopper protects any room in your house from cold air drifting in and heat drifting out through the windows and doors. During the night, the door guard efficiently inhibits excessive noise or light from entering your bedroom through the cracks. Our team would like to highlight that this underdoor blocker is made of high quality material for long-term use. A finely woven wool and polyester blend are used to create this high-end, one-of-a-kind door insulator and wind blocker. It's worth noting that this 3.5 cylindrical draft guard is weighted with ceramic beads to ensure a firm seal and keep this air blocker from rolling away, compared to a standard door sweep. The double satin cord on this door wing guard allows you to hang it in the closet, on a coat rack, or the door handle when not in use. Our team would like to make mention that the fabric of the door windstopper cover can be machine washed because it is removable. It's completely adaptable, blocking drafts anywhere from your front door to your windows, sliding glass, or double doors and more. The DECOREALM heavy duty door draft stopper is a stylish herringbone cover with velvet piped ends and twisted satin hanging cords to lend a decorative touch to your home. The weighted design, which has a patent pending, is loaded with heavy ceramic beads to keep it in place. As a result, we rank this product 2nd on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 door draft stopper on our list, the Holikme 2-pack door draft stopper. Are you looking for 2 flexible draft stoppers that will stick to the door and keep the chilly air out? Then have a look at this Holikme 2-pack door draft stopper. These draft stoppers are composed of durable rubber to form a flexible seal. It can fit most inward swinging entry doors up to 37 inches wide. Our team would like to highlight that these stoppers have 3 pliable fins that conform to the contour of the threshold and 3 holes for air gaps, which improve insulating value. They have an adhesive backing and can be easily cut to size with a sharp utility knife. To match any home design, you can choose between white, black, brown, gray, or a transparent finish. It's worth mentioning that you can install this door draft stopper in just 2 minutes. Please don't open or close the door for the first 24 hours after they've been installed. The bottom seal of the door was created by a structural engineer to keep your room soundproof. It'll also ensure that your room is quiet, clean, and at a comfortable temperature. This is the most effective way to keep heat and cold from escaping during the winter and summer, while also saving money on electricity. For its size, it has a width of 1.9 inches and a length of 37 inches, and it can be used on both interior and exterior doors. The Holikme 2-pack door draft stopper improves people's happiness by bringing convenience and comfort into their lives. It was easy to install, appears to be quite durable, and would certainly keep insects out. Considering the functions and features that have been mentioned, it's no surprise that this product earns the well-deserved top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 door draft stoppers which got our team at In the Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next door draft stopper roundup which you'd like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.